Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.
Alright guys, let's look at 8 questions as regard to addition and subtraction of matrices. We've looked at the introduction of matrices and everything that relates to the introduction of matrices. But in this class, we'll be looking at the addition and subtraction of matrices. Look at the one question says, if matrix A is 2, 4, 6, 2, B is 1, 3, 4, 5, and matrix C is 6, 3, 1, 7, solve for the following. Let's start with A. Number 1 said we should find A plus B. What is A plus B? That means we are adding. And what is A? We have A as this and B as this. So what are we doing? Basically, we are adding both elements, right? So for A and B, it's going to be, what's the A matrix? The element A matrix is 2, 6, 4, 2 plus, you're adding it, plus what? Element B matrix is what? 1, 4, 3, 5. Mind you, the order with which these matrices are, they are in 2 by 2 form, right? Look at the rows are in 2 and the columns are in 2. The rows are in 2 and also the columns are in 2. So they are in 2 by 2 square matrices. So what do we do when we are adding? We are going to add this and this, add this and this, we add this and this, as well as this and this to give us a single matrix. So therefore we can say A plus B is simply 2 plus 1, right? And then what? 4 plus 3, then what? 6 plus 4, and then what? 2 plus 5. That's all about that, right? So if we add them, what are we going to get? Our A plus B will simply be 2 plus 1 being 3, 6 plus 4 being 10, 4 plus 3 being 7, and 2 plus 5 being 7. That's the addition of A plus B. See how easy it is? If you're adding the matrix, you're just adding the elements as regard to solving equal matrices, right? So that's the simple answer. Let's jump to number 2. Number 2 says you find A plus B minus C. So let's see how we're going to do that. Let's look at number 2 question. In number 2 question, we have A plus B plus C. What do we do with that? Therefore, A being 2, 6, 4, 2 plus B, what's B? B being 1, 4, 3, 5 plus C, what's C? C being 6, 1, 3, 7. So we're going to be adding each and every one of them. That means A plus B, matrix A plus B plus C is going to give us just one matrix, right? That would be 2 plus 1 plus 6. So we're taking 2 plus 1 plus 6. So it's 2 plus 1 plus 6, right? And then this one will be 4 plus 3 plus 3. So here we're having 4 plus 3 plus 3. Also here we have 6 plus 4 plus 1. That will be 6 plus 4 plus 1. And there will be 2 plus 5 plus 7. So 2 plus 5 plus 7. Right? So let's add that up. If we add them up, it's going to be 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So we have 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. And 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. Plus 7, that's 14. That's the basic answer of how this is applied. I'm sure you understand what we just did. Just basically adding each element. This and this we add. This and this we add. This and this we add. As well as this we add. That's the basic way of how we're going to do matrix addition. Let's look at the third question. I'll do number 3 and I'll let you do number 4. Right? So I'll treat number 3 and let you do number 4. Sounds fair, right? Let's see how I get. Thank you guys. Right, let's look at how to do number 3 question, B plus C. It's the same thing, but we're just picking elements B and elements C. That's all we are doing. We are adding elements B and C. And so what elements B? Element B is basically 1, 4, 3, 5 plus element C is basically 6, 1. We have 6, 1, and then what? 3, 7. That's for B and C. So what do? We add elements. This we add this. So we can say our B plus C becomes what? 1 plus 6, right? And then 3 plus 3. Then what? 4 plus 1. Then 5 plus 7. So if you do that, what are we going to have? It's going to be 7, 5, 6, what? 12. That's the basic arrangement of how addition works. So I'll leave you to do number D. Let's see how you do IV. In the later class, I'll be treating V, I'll be treating VI, and I'll be taking VIII. So I'll let you do VII. Right? Sounds fair, right? Or I'll do V and VI, I'll let you do VII and VIII. Right? Let's see how that works in the next video. Okay, guys. Alright guys, in the number 5 question, it said to find the value of A plus B minus C. So let's see how that works. And this, we are going to be adding this or be subtracting this from this, just like basic algebra. What do we do? A is 2, 6, 4, 2 plus the B, which is 1, 4, 3, 5 minus C, which is 6, 1. Then what? 3, 7. So how do we apply this now? It's all the same thing. So A plus B minus C becomes 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, but minus 6. Right? Also doing 4 plus what? Plus 3 minus 3. As well, we're doing 6 plus 4, that's 6 plus 4, right? 6 plus 4 minus 1, right? And then we'll be doing 2 plus 5 minus 7. 2 plus 5 minus 7, that's all. So let's come again, take it again. 2 plus 1, we're having plus here. 2 plus 1 minus 6. 4 plus 3 minus 3. And then what? 6 plus 4 minus 1, and then 2 plus 5 minus 7. In that case, our A plus B minus C becomes 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 minus 6. How do we do that? Because I find it appalling when students tend to have issues with this question. Basic expression like 3 minus 6. How do they do that? And so with that, I have a little way of how to make students understand that. So if we have stuff like 3 minus 6, remember that for every number we have an invincible plus here, right? So we will put a number line just like layman stuff. This is plus and minus. Plus belongs to 3, so we'll put 3 here, and the minus belongs to 6, so we'll put 6 here. Right? So 3 will take off 3 here, right? This 3 will take off this 3. We are left with minus 3. Minus 3, please. So in this case, so we're having 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is basically minus 3. We'll come here and put minus 3. Also 4 plus 3 is what? 7. Then 7 minus 3 is what? Is 4. Right? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 1 is what? Is 9. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 7 is what? Is 0. That's the answer to number 5 question. A plus B minus C. So I'll be treating this number 6 while I let you do number 7 and number 8. And as well leave the answers to the question on the comment section below. Thank you very much, guys.
Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.